What's going on? Today I'm installing my new Buddy Club racing seat to replace kind of my old and worn out passenger seat. Also have some Buddy Club seat rails. If you want a seat of your own and you want a really sweet deal on one, feel free to hit Buddy Club on Instagram, or I can shoot you his email if you want to send me a DM. So anyway, gonna get started on that. So here we are. Can't get more JDM than that. No idea really what it says, but got the super low seat rail, racing spec for the S13, S14, S15. It's all the same. So yeah, just gonna open this up. What do we have here? Que tenemos. So yeah, pretty simple. Just gonna bolt these things onto the sides of the seat, and then should be pretty simple and pretty easy, and it'll just all come together. So yep. Oh, it even has some instructions as well. Let's see, what do these say? S13 and AE86. Apparently, I guess it's the same between both. So, yep, simple instructions. Actually kind of useful, because most parts that you buy, they don't really have instructions with them, and then you're kind of wondering, well, what am I supposed to do here? But, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's just a seat. But if you don't have a whole lot of experience putting together seats, it's, I mean, it can be challenging. So, no judgment here at all, especially when I'm not the most skilled mechanic, as I'd like to admit. But anyway, just gonna get started. Did some test fitment of the seat earlier, but decided that it would probably be better to just put the rails in first and then bolt the seat in after that. And just kind of left everything loose, took the old seat out, and now we have the new rails in here. And yeah, next step is just gonna be to bolt the seat down, hopefully everything's good, and then put the harnesses through, and then we're done. Well, there you have it. Seat is all installed and ready to go. The only tip that I'd have is if you have a G-force harness or something similar with a cam lock, it was a little tricky to get this through the little hole right here. And what you can do is, all you have to do is just kind of pull on that rubber grommet and it'll pop out, and then it just slides in and you can put the rubber grommet back on. So pretty simple. And yeah, it's nice to have a nice fresh seat in there. The old one is definitely getting a little bit ratty, but you know, really, again, thanks Buddy Club. And if you want your own seat, then feel free to hit up at Instagram or DM me for his email. Happy to provide that. And I'm pretty sure he'll hook you up with like a really good price. So gonna get the rest of the car ready, but first definitely gonna take a little bit of a water break. It's pretty hot and humid here in Virginia.